we talk about buyer's agents, but, the things that buyer's agents do, we can do ourselves if we're prepared to put in the time and effort. I'm thinking about, well, particularly, let's say, sites that are getting a development permit. Who would be involved in that? Well, obviously the landowner, but architects. Architects are working on getting a development permit for somebody, town planners, and also if they're subdivisions, civil engineers. And so if we were to contact a number of architects, town planners, civil engineers, those sorts of people who could be working on development permits, and a lot of buyer's agents have a network of these people, they can pick up deals off market before they become available, because the thing is, a number of people get a development permit purely with the intention of selling it with a development permit. They have no intentions of going on and developing it.
And there's also the opportunity, some people might want to, but circumstances change. Jobs change, life changes, got busy, whatever. There's a reason that they
can't
think...
get finance, who knows?
So they just want to sell it on. Yeah.
And so the people that are working on these development permits, those professionals, they know their client, and they'll assumedly know that their client's just getting the development permit to flick it, to sell it. And, over the years I've had great deals thrown up to me by architects, town planners, engineers and the like. So, that's a good source. That's what buyer's agents do as well. They have networks of those people.